Have you finally realized that your work doesn't make you feel fulfilled and doesn't allow you to live the life you would like, dedicating the time they deserve to your loved ones? That's how I felt a few months ago until I was helped to discover, thanks to the free video series that I'll send to you if you click the button below, that I could build the life I really wanted by starting an online business from scratch, having no previous experience or technical knowledge in the digital world. Everything started to change the day my oldest son played the final of his soccer championship. It was the most important game of his life, and I had promised him that I would be there, but a last-minute dinner with a very big and important customer prevented me from attending. When I got home late at night, my wife told me that Eddie had not only won the match, but had also scored the decisive goal. But when he found out that I hadn't gone to see him, he started to cry and said that his father always had other more important things to do. I felt so guilty. I had turned one of the happiest days of my son's life into a great disappointment. My greatest desire had always been to provide my family with the necessary financial security without giving up on being with them when they needed me. I wanted to be a part of their lives and share those moments that only happen once. But instead, I was actually becoming a stranger to them as a result of endless work schedules with constant business trips and spending a minimum of 2 hours a day commuting. In addition, my company was being hit hard by the recession and enormous competition from e-commerce. And that caused me a lot of anxiety, and I didn't sleep well for a long time. I realized that it was time to change and that I couldn't go on like that. I thought about switching jobs and even opening a franchise, but all the options I looked at involved either continuing to spend a lot of time at work or major investments that I couldn't afford. One day my wife encouraged me to start looking on the internet for possible alternatives that would allow me to build the life I really wanted instead of sacrificing what I love most by trying hard to make all those dreams possible. A few days later, while watching TED Talk videos on YouTube, an ad showed up and I saw this guy began to relate his personal situation, almost identical to mine at that time. He explained how he had managed to discover his passion and professional future in the world of online marketing and e-commerce thanks to the training he received through a digital education platform created in 2010 that was associated with companies such as LinkedIn Learning and that had grown constantly to create a community of thousands of people. He invited me to watch the free video series that I will send to you when you click the button below, and in them, the founder of the organization that changed his life, Stuart, explained to me the exact steps to create from scratch and without any previous knowledge in marketing or e-commerce, a very profitable online business that I could manage from home or wherever I wanted, through my laptop, without bosses, and with total flexibility of schedules. I remember thinking that it seemed too nice to be true, but also that I had nothing to lose. Watching the videos, I had no doubt that the possibility of building the life I dreamed of was real, and what steps I had to take to start doing it. Today, I enjoy a job that I love, that makes me feel fulfilled, and that provides me with more income than ever. In addition, with it I help other people to focus their lives on what they really love and makes them happy. I work with total freedom and flexibility to dedicate the time I want to my family, fulfilling the passion to travel the world with them and to practice my favorite sports and hobbies. I no longer miss any of my children's games, and I demonstrate them that they are what I love most in the world. I would be more than happy if you also decide to start the path of transformation that I did. If you believe that you and your family deserve to enjoy the life of your dreams and the time to start making it happen has come, click on the button below, sign up with your contact details, and I will immediately send you the free video series of my mentor Stuart that changed my life.